Hi guys, so I've just got another Native Union charging cable in. Now this one is a USB-C charging cable. Here's a quick look at the packaging there. Let's just open this and take a look at the cable. That's how it comes in the box. There's a couple of bits of paperwork and a sticker there. And just undo them. So here's the cable. It's a braided cable. It's USB-A to Type-C. And you've got this little leather clip here to band it up when you're not using it. Now I already have a cable like this. I've got this iPhone lightning cable, but it's got this weight on that you can move around there. Now both of these are 10 foot long cable, and I thought I need a USB-C one, so I'll just get one because I like the quality of them. I decided not to go with the weighted one. I just thought I'd try one without the weight. But anyway, that was just a quick unboxing and a quick look at the Native Union 10-foot cable. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to the channel.